Lakshanya, and I'm the one who made this whole track. First it was a little difficult. I attempted it like 3 times, and now it's like this. I started it from the smallest block, and after a little bit more bigger, and then a little bit higher one. And then again, I went down, and lower. And it's a little hard to make it. And when it goes, sometimes it falls from its track. That was the hardest part. And this is Radio Jet. It's also a real train. Like this, it gets hard. As you can see, both ends are small. This one and this one, the same height. And this is the middle part. The most it gets out of its track, the hardest part and was here. That was the most hardest part. That time it was a little tilted. It gets faster when it's like this from here, down here. And it takes more power when it goes up. And it's a little turn like this. When it comes here, if you look from down here, it looks big. It needs a little bit fixing. Yep, good. It was also hard from here. It needed a little bit smooth part. Otherwise it was just like going off track. It takes a little power. Bye.